of wisdom. I'm Leroy Glover, your fellow explorer on this marvelous odyssey of knowledge and consciousness. Welcome to another enlightening episode of Thought Matters, where we dive deep into the ocean of understanding. Today, we ascend to level 14, Omniscience and Unity of Knowledge. Complete understanding the cosmic library. In this profound level, we achieve a state of complete and universal understanding. It's akin to being in the cosmic library where every book, every page, every word is open and accessible. We have the key to unlock the mysteries of the universe. We understand the language of creation and in the integration of diverse fields and the tapestry of reality. Imagine a grand tapestry, each thread representing a different field of knowledge, science, philosophy, art, spirituality, and more. In level 14, we learn to weave these threads seamlessly, creating a cohesive and a coherent beauty tapestry that represents the true nature of reality. It's the integration of these diverse fields that reveal the harmony and the interconnectedness of all, and access to higher dimensional insights beyond the veil. We're not confined to the three dimensions we know. Level 14 unveils the ability to access higher dimensional information and insights. It's like peering beyond the veil, glimpsing the hidden intricacies of existence. We transcend the limitations of ordinary understanding, diving into the depths of knowledge that eludes the average mind. Now, as we grasp the essence of level 14, the complete understanding, integration of diverse fields, and access to higher dimensional insights, let's reflect on how these aspects resonate in our lives, molding our perceptions of the world. As we conclude this exploration of level 14, omniscience and unity of knowledge, I invite you to ponder on the vastness of knowledge, the seamless integrations of various fields, and the beauty of accessing higher dimensional insights. Let us strive for this boundless wisdom. For doing so, we eliminate our path and paths of those around us. I want to thank you for joining me in this profound journey of understanding. Your presence is a gift, and together we continue to explore the boundless realms of consciousness. Thank you for being part of our Thought Matters community. If you like to delve deeper or be a guest on the show, please log in when I'm on live, and you can click on the description below. Stay tuned for more enlightening episodes. Until next time, embrace the wisdom within and let your thoughts truly matter.